I am frequently asked about creating distribution groups to use for email, so I'll show you a quick sample of that today. I've got several email addresses here we use in a classroom when I'm teaching at Educator, and so I'm going to make a contact group of all of the folks, all of the basically the computer accounts we use in that classroom. So I'm going to call this one Educator Classroom, or just class. Let's do that. Keep it simple. And then I will go ahead and start adding members to this. So I will use different Outlook contacts that I've got set up. And here I see I'll include the instructor account on there as well. And then I'll just pick each of these student accounts. I'm adding all of these into my distribution list. And that's all I have to do. It's called Educator Class. It's got all the accounts that I use for that. I will save this. And then the way it looks in your contact list in Outlook is like this. It shows up as a group, and you're going to see a different identifier here on the business card with the multiple people. If you display this in a different way, you'll see it displayed as a group. Let's go find it. There it is. There's the Educator class, and you can see the group icon there. Now to use it, switch back over to your email and create a new email message. And then when you want to use that, you'll just type in Educator class, and there it will populate the distribution group you've used. I'm going to click the little plus sign, which allows me on these groups to be able to see everyone that I'm including in there. And I would say best practice, if you have large groups that you're sending emails to, probably better off, rather than putting that in the to, is to put it in the blind carbon copy. And that way everybody doesn't see that huge list of names that show up at the top of an email. I'm sure you've received those where you half the page is email addresses, and you don't want that. But if you put it blind carbon copy, everyone will get a copy of the message, but only you know exactly who it went to. You're not breaking confidentiality either by sharing email addresses in that way. Distribution list.